Hi everyone, so I am here with this week's weekly giveaway. I've got 2 giveaways this week. One is for the gorgeous cat purse and all its contents. That's the one I'm going to do first, with all the goodies inside. So I've put I'm just about to put the link in here. Get YouTube comments. I'm sorry, Charles just did the thing, and then I'm hoping that you can see it. So this is for the cat purse. This is the first one, so good luck everybody, and let's see who has one. And the winner is Sari. So Sari, well done, you have won the very cute cat purse. So that's the first giveaway. And the second giveaway was for these packs, these baby cards and the Rudolph. So I'm just going to go back to my channel and let me find it, which is here. Oops, stop it. Just got to wait for it to stop.
I found in my craft room as I've been destashing.
Oh,
and I thought
stop. Right. Oh,
little giveaway.
Stop it. Okay, so let's copy that. Go to here. And put that in there. Oh, no. Let's delete all this because it's put 2 of them in. Right, okay, delete. I was supposed to do this on my tablet, but I've lost my tablet. So, right, get YouTube. Right, okay, so this is for the card sets. So I don't know if you can see that. I want to make sure you're in shot. There you go. So good luck everybody, and let's see who has won the card sets. And the winner is One Peaceful Mind, Alicia's handmade. I don't know what that is. But well done, Alicia, and well done, Sari. Please send me your addresses. I have lost my address book. I don't know what's happened. So please, can you email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com, and I will post these goodies out to you guys. So thanks for playing, and there will be another giveaway this week. So take care for now. Bye bye.